May again, and we are in beautiful Wuxi, China for the ASC26 Student Cluster Competition. And we have a still fairly new team from Macau University of Science and Technology. This will be the third ASC competition for your school, I think, right? Third? Okay. So let's meet the team. What's your name and what are you doing for the team?
Hi, I'm Qin Junshuo. I'm the captain of this team.
Team captain? Come on.
Yeah. Thank you.
They really hate you. Wait, go back. No. They really dislike you. They did not clap for you. Just saying.
I can hear you.
He can't hear you.
I know, but you can't get the camera. There we go. The team really disliked you because they didn't clap. I'm just joking. So, there we go. Okay, that's more like. He still didn't, but okay. So, what are you working on? What are you working on for the team?
I am still working on the HPCG now.
Okay, and you got LINPACK done?
Yeah, we have the LINPACK done.
How'd you do?
Yes.
Think you're good? Good? You feel good?
I think it is good. We have like 4040 for three GPU rank. Yeah.
Okay. What are you running for hardware? What do you have for GPUs?
We have two A800 and four W70.
Okay. 4 AMD,
yeah.
2 NVIDIA?
Yes.
Okay. And you ran the LINPACK on the NVIDIA, I bet?
But we run HPL on 3 CPU rank. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Who's this behind you?
Hi.
Hi. I can hear you.
Yeah. So I'm Wu Zhuo, and I'm working on the world model, one of the world models. It's the AMD version of the world model that I'm working on, and we're doing quite well by now. So
Good?
yeah,
You're feeling good about it?
I think probably yes. Yes.
Are you getting it to speed up? Kind of speed up are you seeing?
We've got like 20 times faster than the baseline, so I'm doing quite well, I'll say.
We're going to get to 25x faster. You get to 25?
I think we can reach that by now, yeah.
Fantastic. Good job. So who's that next to you?
I'm Renmin Shen, and I was doing the Quibble TN. Yeah.
Okay. How's it going? How's it working?
I'm trying to solve some problems. I'm trying to find there are some ways to accelerate the program.
Okay. Okay. Good. But you seem to be doing well with it. Are you doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Keep working. Who's this?
My name is Wang Kangding. You can call me Carl. And
Carl.
yeah,
Hey, Carl.
I
You can call me
basically
Dan.
okay. I basically helped making the PowerPoints and a demonstration board for the final presentation.
You're just here for
and I'm
PowerPoint?
helping him doing some of the qubit works for that question. Yeah, that's basically what I'm doing right now.
So you're working on the judging stuff.
Yeah, basically for demonstration, making a PowerPoint, because we have a demonstration part at the end of the competition. I think it's on May the 20th. Yeah.
How long is the demonstration part?
I think it'll last about 2 or 3 hours. Basically, in the morning, and the judge will walk around and see our demonstration. Yeah, one by one. I mean, 2 or 3 hours is a total time.
Yeah, I was thinking that's a long demonstration.
Yeah.
So you're going to have like a monitor here and be.
We have a whiteboard here. We'll demonstrate
whiteboard.
our outcome, and we also have our PowerPoint demonstrating there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Well, it sounds like you're off to a pretty good start today.
Yeah.
Everything good? Happy?
We're certainly sure about that. Hopefully.
You never are.
Yeah.
But good luck. Good to see another team from Macau, and we'll come back and check with you on tomorrow.
Okay.
See how it's going. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Channel's here. Last day of the competition. We're with Team Macau. How you doing? What's going on?
Yeah, so last day was kind of tough, and we spent a lot of time on the group application, which had some issue with the login, and we did some optimizations, but that did not work out for us. But luckily, we've got other teams who worked with us and applied that application optimization. So that final.
Well, let me ask you this: on the group problem, all 5 members of your group, all 5 teams, will run the problem on their own cluster. Is that what you're saying?
Exactly.
Okay. And then your results are merged. Okay. Okay. So that came out okay? Did you complete it? Did you complete the group problem?
We did not solve it at last because we were out of time, but they did apply that optimization, and that was effective.
Okay, good. Now, what about the things that your team is working on today? How are those going?
Our leader is working on AMSS, and these 3 guys are working on.
Got his special gloves on.
Yeah.
This is a special. It's on gloves. It's real. Now it's real. Good.
Yeah.
Keep going.
And other members are working on Keyboard TN.
Okay.
And I'm working on the mystery application. So.
And what's a mystery application again? What is it?
It's a world model running on AMD GPUs.
Okay. Okay. Is it hard?
Kinda, I would say.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
But we're working on that, so.
Okay, we have time. You have another 10 hours.
Yeah.
Plenty of time. Good. Well, thank you so much. Good to see you here, and good luck.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye.